50? What if I told you that some of the world's longest living people stay active, not with gym workouts, but with 6 simple daily movements? These Japanese elder habits might add years to your life, and life to your years. Welcome to Golden Years Health, where staying strong, flexible, and independent after 50 isn't just a goal, it's a lifestyle. Today you'll learn the 6 movements practiced by Japanese elders who regularly live past 90 with mobility, balance, and energy most people lose decades earlier. Let's begin. Movement 1. The morning reach. Every morning, Japanese elders start their day with a full body reach. Arms up, spine long, chest open. This simple stretch activates circulation, wakes up stiff joints, and prepares the mind for the day. It increases oxygen flow and gently resets the posture, especially for people who sit a lot. Try holding it for 10 seconds every morning. Movement 2. The hip loosening circle. Healthy hips equals strong, independent living. Japanese elders perform slow hip circles to improve balance and prevent lower back pain. If you struggle with stiffness after sitting or sleeping, this movement is a game changer. Just 20 seconds clockwise and 20 seconds counterclockwise can support long-term mobility. Movement 3. The knee lift walk. This is a gentle marching movement, lifting the knees one at a time. It keeps the leg muscles active, improves blood flow, and supports heart health. Japanese seniors often do this inside the house while waiting for tea to boil. Small moves, big results. Movement 4. Deep squat or modified chair squat. In Japan, the deep squat position is used daily, from gardening to sitting. Can't do a full squat? No worries. Use a chair. Lower down slowly, keep your spine straight, stand back up. It strengthens the thighs, glutes, and core, helping prevent falls and boosting joint power. Movement 5. Shoulder circle release. This movement relieves tension that builds with age, especially for people who work on computers or phones. Japanese elders roll their shoulders forward and backward slowly, opening the chest and reducing stiffness. It also helps maintain better posture and reduces neck pain. Movement 6. The ankle mobility roll. Strong ankles mean better balance. Japanese elders regularly rotate their ankles to prevent falls, the #1 cause of injury after 50. Do this sitting or standing. Slow circles, 10 each direction. Most Japanese elders finish their movement routine with a short walk, just 5 to 10 minutes. It boosts mood, digestion, and keeps the heart young. They take less than 5 minutes but can transform how you feel, move, and age. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which movement feels best for you. This is Golden Years Health, helping you live stronger longer.